Hello and welcome, Babugel Babuhle Bethu, to yet another exciting episode of your favorite show. This is Buhle Bethu and my name is Nelly Somakanya. Namuhla Babugel Babuhle Bethu sibuyile khona edolobheni elikhulu laseMbabane, where we are still bringing you more places that you can travel to with your friends, with your family. And today, as I'm standing at this gate right here, I'm at the Golden Ways, where we want to find out what is it that I want to offer to eMaSwati. Let's go and find out what the Golden Ways has in store for you. Hi, how are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm all right, thank you. All right, can you please tell us your name, your surname, and also the position that you hold in this establishment?
Oh, my name is Majaha Ngonyane. I am the Public Relations / Marketing Officer at Golden Ways Apartments.
All right, can you please give me a brief background of the place and also what is it that you offer basically in this establishment?
Okay, Golden Ways Apartment is a bed and breakfast establishment. We have many other offerings. Host and private events. Depending on what you want to do, it could be a baby shower, it could be a wedding, it could be a corporate conference. We are a space that is flexible to host you for whatever event that you want to host.
All right. Well, ingabe vele indzaweni itfolakala ngakuphi nje nelivela kangwane?
For now, it's a fairly new business. Sisasembabane edolobheni. For now, we have presence Eveni and Sitfashini. I guess according to size, the one at Eveni is much bigger. Okay. The one at Sitfashini is smaller, but primarily sibuke inzaba yemakamero or accommodation with the one Sitfashini. Than the one with Eveni. That's where more facilities can take place, depending on Gutsi, yin lofuna kuyenda. So we do want to branch into the rest of the country and maybe at international level as well. But for now, Sisasembabane, and okay, we're planning to grow.
I'm interested to know, since you said something about accommodation, I'd love to know ukuthi ingabe vele ama-rooms lenawo lakhaya anganani nekwekuthi ingabe ahosta ima-groups la kanjani ngekwehlukana kawo.
Okay, kulele sinayo la Eveni, like I mentioned earlier, it's a much bigger space. Sina 14 rooms that are ready to accommodate large numbers of groups or smaller groups of families. Also with Sitfashini, it's Emma Apartments, we have single room apartments, we have it double. We can also accommodate up to maybe 3-4 people.
In a room?
Yes.
Okay.
But with the type of guests that we host, uyakwanza ukuthi kunama guests la international that want to have a longer stay in the country, like 3-6 months. Mm-hmm. We are able to accommodate those at a discounted rate.
Okay.
We have people who want to sleep over maybe by eSwatini. We can be able to accommodate those. Honeymoon activities are very, very important.
Okay.
We are able to accommodate those. That is as far as the rooms are concerned. Kulo 14 rooms, you can have a single. We do have doubles. Then depending on the number of people that you're coming with, we are able to accommodate those.
So when it comes to the food aspect of things, ingabe bantu basitakala kanjani ngalokho ethunjini nabalakhaya nabalele khona, or in anything nje labakwendayo, as you have explained ukuthi ngema establishments ngekwehlukana kwawo kunalelelana nalele sestrashini?
Thank you so much. For now, we are operating in the bed and breakfast category accommodation. So that is to say, we are lala, the next and we offer you breakfast. In the breakfast yethu ke ivulekile to accommodate people according to their different preferences.
Okay.
You can have your English breakfast if that's your preference. You have is it cold breakfast, or cereals and
Yes.
things like that.
Okay.
Most important in ukuthi usatise ukuthi ngakusasa ungafisa kudla in, so that we're able to meet your dietary needs. We have no discrimination when it comes to that, as long as it's clear ukuthi what is it that you'd want to have. As a new entity in the spaces accommodation, sisakhula, so with time we'll be able to offer an even more balanced menu. Sikhula nabo ke bantu lesithi ngama customers ethu, we are able to offer proper, well balanced breakfast.
So what kind of activities can people get up to while they're at your space? Ngekwehlukana kwawo ngoba ngivile uke wachaza ukuthi nema events mhlambe la formal nalamanye nje abantu labangakhona ukuthi bawa host at your space.
Okay, thank you for that. Ema events lesinawo sisase ku space la ukhanza ukuthi there is mostly residents, which is akusenza lokhanza ukuthi sivumelekile for now to have events that have a lot of, or rather noise level lesetulu. So kungaba ngu private event like your weddings, baby showers, corporate conferences, because si kulele la even sinema conference facilities that can host up to 150 people. So maybe lama fun parties and lalangatsi atawubita ukuthi kube nemsindo kakhulu. For now, sisengakavumeleki. But if you want to host your wedding, if you want to host your baby shower, if you want to host a conference, spaces ethu siyazivumela ukuthi singa operator at that level. Si khona and si vulekile ukuthi bantu bangeta bato hosta ema events abo at our facility.
Babukeli bobuhle bethu, let's take a short break, because when we come back we still have more to show you right here on your favorite show. This is Buhle Bethu. Stay tuned. For big events like weddings, I'd like to know how do we cater for people when it comes to those big events?
As a space that operates in hosting people, as a Sego Rigid, we are flexible to say if you have your people that want to prepare food for you, you can be able to do that. Understandably, if you want, or rather would love for us to cater for you, we can be able to do that. Ema events lafana na boma imishado, boma baby shower, at most times they will require a deco. We also offer a service le kanjalo. Also, if you have your own deco, lova ngazuthi hayi mina ngifuna black and gold at my event, without doubt sivulekile ukuthi ungenda kanjalo. For a menu, we're open to discuss and say bring your own, or we prepare it for you. This is a new growing business. So with time, utawukwanza ukuthi a fully fledged menu would be provided on site. But for now, sisase space ukuthi let's have it as a discussion. If you have your own, without doubt, if you want for us to prepare it for you, then singakhona kukwendela according to your preference lonayo.
So what are people saying about the place? What are the reviews basically? As you've said that you are a place that makes people happy, you bring them over here in Mayajabula. I'd like to know and also let's talk about the ambience, about the decor, and of course your hospitality.
Okay, so far kuyasijabulisa lokuthi ema reviews lesinawo ngila positive. Guests that we've hosted from Mozambique, from Canada have left good reviews. Not because ngukhuluma from a marketing perspective, nemhlaba ungatibonela on the booking platforms, also on our social media pages. Siyindzawo le kuphusha kakhulu lokuthi bantu abaphatheke kahle, sichubeke sende le reputation yelive ibe ngile kahle, nalokuthi njengebhizinisi sikhone ukuthi sithole labanye labatawukhona kufihla inhloko and sikhone kukhula. Mangikhulumisa indzaba yokuthi kufuna sikhule velonke, ngiletinye tetintfo lokhanza ukuthi tiyasisita sifike kuleto tigaba. So for now we have positive reviews and bangatibonela nebantu on the sites that we've mentioned.
All right, so can you please give us your contact details, like how can people reach out to your space online? That's your social media presence. Mhlambe tinombolo telucingo ukuthi banithola kanjani earlier bawushito ukuthi you are also in the international space. Mhlambe lawo ma international guests now anithola kanjani vele?
We operate at an international level. Kubooking.com, kuma international sites where you find venues, Sikona. So much so good see when we started operating in May, Bushfire guests were able to identify us on ema booking platforms. Sikona ke kuma booking sites la internationally recognized. Then kuma social media pages sisasebancane, but we do have a Facebook page, Golden Ways Apartments. Bese maybe ngelucingo ukona 7602 1678. That is where we are found physically. Sise opposite Gulp filling station. Kwenza libandla lelikhulu le worship center. Bese sifashini sikona. I guess the better way to access where we are found for now, let's use our Facebook page, which is Golden Ways Apartments. Bese ndawukuphinza lokuthi on international booking sites sikhona, so that we are able to accommodate umhlaba as we continue to promote tourism event la Kangwane.
Can you please look into the camera and talk to eMaswati who are invited to your wonderful space?
Kuso sonke sive seMaswati siyajabula ukuthi ku tourism space siyakhula as facility lene makamero nale khona ku hosta ema private events kuwa mema onke eMaswati to come check out the place nekuthi bafihla inhloko batawubona lokuthi yini lesikhuluma ngayo. This is Golden Ways Apartments, sikhona eVeni, sikhona nasesifashini. Sitimisele futhi sikhuthele ukuthi niphatheke kahle and sifuna ukukhula nawo eMaswati, sikhona ukuthi sininikete kuphumula lokukahle eGolden Ways Apartment.
right now we are still at the Golden Ways, but right now we're at the Sitwashini apartments that I've spoken about. So I just want to take you through a short tour so that you can see what kind of an apartment do they have here. Camera, follow me. All right, so now this is what we have here. As they said that it's an apartment, they have their television screen. It's a smart TV, by the way. You have your DSTV, you can do your YouTube, your everything here. There's this nice paintings. It's just a wonderful space. Look at these nice couches they have here, nice carpets, the ambience, the walls, the paint, everything is just so immaculate, you know. This is really amazing. Let's go and see the kitchen. Let's go and see the kitchen. Wow. All right, so now this is a self-catering unit. These apartments, it's self-catering. When you get here, that means you can bring your own meat, you can bring your own food, do your own things here. They've got the microwave, there's the kettle, there's cupboards with the that you can use to cook, you know. There's literally everything here. So you have your stove over here where you can be preparing your meals. There's this stove here and your fridge as well. So now this apartment apparently has 2 bedrooms. So we're gonna go to the first bedroom now. This is the first bedroom. It's not the main bedroom, it's just the other bedroom. So look at how nice it is. And I've got the cupboards here, you see, with these nice blankies. Nice. So since you all know that Mbabane is cold, so they've got some extra blankies here. This is where you can hang your coats, put your clothes. Amazing stuff. Okay. Nice. The last one will be the main bedroom, but before the main bedroom, let me just take you through the bathroom that they have here. So this is the bathroom. Gune bathtub lana. Really nice stuff. All right. And now finally we get to show you the main bedroom. Let's see. Oh, nice. This is very nice. As you can see, this is the main bedroom with the bed here. We have this desk, so you can be doing your work here. With this chair, you can do your work here. And it also has its own closet lana where you can keep your stuff. These are blankies and stuff. And then here, that's where there's a whole lot more things that you can put. Today, we just want to tell you that the traveling has not stopped. Exploring the land of Eswatini has not stopped. We are here around the Skupe area. You know what is so important about this place? We have KM3 Airport right next to where we are. We are visiting a place called Wanaka Estate Lodge. Estate Guest Lodge, that's the proper word for it. And we just want to see what do they have to offer to the members of the public, especially in such a wonderful location. Let's see what they have for us, and I'm sure you're gonna love this.
Wanaka basically is about relaxation. This is a place that is offering that peace and tranquility. If you just want to relax come to Wanaka, you will get that relaxation, you will get that heaven of peace that will ensure that you unwind, you connect with self, and you live refreshed and rejuvenated. We have rooms. Basically, our rooms are such that they are to meet individual needs. Okay, so we have rooms that are just basic at entry point, and then we have our retreat rooms, and we also have our family rooms. Okay, our family rooms, they take 4 people per night. We also have family rooms that are self-catering. All our rooms, they have Wi-Fi, they have a smart TV, they have aircon, and then they have coffee and tea elements. And then we have our retreat room. That one will have a bar fridge, it will have a microwave, and it also allows you to cook for yourself, self-catering. Yes. And then our family rooms themselves, they also have a bar fridge and microwave. And here you are allowed to bring your own meals. We do offer breakfast and dinner, but you are free to bring your own meals. At the moment, we offer breakfast and we offer dinner to all those that are booked with us. Basically, we are working on having amenities that will complete our package, which is about relaxation. So we are going to have those amenities, okay, that will allow us to give that hospitality, that will engrave, a unique experience in the heart and mind of every guest that visits us. So basically, those that get to come and be accommodated here with us, it's business travelers, the leisure travelers, and airport users. Okay, yes. So business travelers, they just need accommodation. In the morning, they get breakfast and they go. But those that come for leisure, okay, we do allow them to have, their braai. They can braai here. And those that come, like we host families, those that come in groups, families, friends, colleagues. Yes, we make them to play games. Coming from the airport, we are just 5 kilometers from the airport. Yes, we are. When you are driving from the airport going to Mpaga filling station, it's just the first turn off from the road. So we are behind Suludane Primary. Okay. And then when you are coming from the Mpaga filling station, you take the road going to the airport. When you've driven just about 4 kilometers, you will then see the turn off. We have a website. It's www.wanaka-estate-guesthouse.com. We can also be contacted via email. Our email is admin@wanaka-estate-guesthouse. We have we can be contacted by cell phone number. Our number is 7669-1335. It's either you call us or you WhatsApp us. We have a Facebook page. We are on Instagram. We are on Airbnb. We are also advertised on Expedia. You can also find us on Google My Business. We are on Africa Directory, and you can also type hotel near me. You will also find us.
Ngiyethemba ke babukeli babuhle bethu nikuthokodele konke lebesilethele kona namuhla ehlelweni lwenu oluyinthandvokati. You continue following us on all our social media platforms, particularly our YouTube channel where you find our full episodes. Eswatini TV YouTube channel, that's where you find our full episodes. You can also follow me on Facebook and text me. Let's talk about the beautiful places we can visit in the kingdom of Eswatini. My page is Neliswa W. Makanya with a blue tick. Until next week, when we bring you more exclusive and exciting content. Goodbye.